Today we're going to talk about rotations. A rotation is a type of transformation. It's called a turn. When a pre-image is turned around a fixed point, the center rotation in order to create an image. Below here are 3 rules that we can use for different types of rotations. 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees counterclockwise, or rotation 180 degrees. I'm just going to put in a formula. Say our pre-image was 1, 2. And we are going to rotate this pre-image 90 degrees clockwise. It's going to map to 2, -1. Let me go show you this in Geogebra. I'm going to move my graphics view, and remember that this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So I'm going to start with making a polygon in the second quadrant, and I'll change the colors. And I always go in this counterclockwise direction because if I click the angles, I can see what the angles are immediately. Alright? Now, in order to rotate this, I need a center of rotation. So I'm going to put in the origin. Oh, I didn't do that right. I added a little extra thing here. So now I'm going to rotate. Now, to rotate it, you go down here. It says rotate about an object, about a point. Select the object to rotate, the center point, and then enter the angle. So we're going to select the triangle, D, and I'm going to try 90 degrees, and I'm going to go clockwise. And if you look at this now, A, B, C is in the same direction as A prime, B prime, C prime. So the orientation is the same. The angles are the same as well, because if I click on here and click on here, they match identically. Now let me show you why this is a 90 degrees rotation that's in the clockwise direction, and I'll show you how to prove that. I'm going to just release the angles, and I'm going to go to the segment, and I'm just going to choose one of these image vertices, and I guess I'll go with the C to D, and then I'm going to make a segment from D to C prime. I'm going to use my angle, and see that's 90 degrees, and it's going in this direction clockwise. Isn't that really cool? So let me try one more. I'm going to try one, and I'm going to try this one again, and I'm going to go from here, and I'm going to make usually use 0, 0 as your center rotation, but suppose we didn't want that. Suppose we wanted 1, 3. Now we're going to go down here, and we're going to rotate this by this point. We'll just do, yeah, I guess we'll do 100 degrees. Actually, I'll do 120. And we'll go clockwise, and OK. So let's move this graphic view, and this is our angle of rotation going from, let's say, from C to D and C to C prime. Let's check that here. 120 degrees. We can go all the way, map it onto itself if we keep going 120 degrees again and again. Let's try that. Here, clockwise. Now, I'm just going to draw a segment, and I'm going to do that again. Here, clockwise. And it's going to map onto itself. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.